Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Pusheen Love Angel. So let's get started. To draw this sweet Pusheen, let's first start by drawing a small curve for the top of her head. So I'm going to start right here and just draw a soft curve. Then from there I'm going to go up on this side to draw her ears. Go up and then round off a point and come right back down. And let's do the same thing on this side. Go up, about right here, round it off, and come right down. So now that everything is at the same height, we're going to bring this down. And as we come down, we're just going to widen it out a bit. And same thing here. Then from there, let's go back in and draw some details. So I'm going to come to the top right here and draw 3 U's for her stripes. So 1, 2, and another one. Then let's come straight down, find your center, come straight down to say about right here. And I'm going to go ahead and come down with a line and curve out for her mouth. And same thing here. And then let's connect it at the bottom to make her even happier with a curve. From there, let's go to the sides and we're going to draw her eyes. So come out, say about right here, and we're going to draw a circle. And I would come right here and draw another circle for a highlight, shade everything else in. So same thing over here. There. Then from there, let's come to the sides before I forget where her eyes are, and we're going to draw 2 whiskers. So come out with 2 curves and same thing over here. Just where her eyes are. Then from there, let's go ahead and keep bringing this down. And here as well. So we're going to bring this down a little bit because we need to draw a really big heart. So let's say about, let's keep going down a little bit more. But before we finish that, let's come back up. So right underneath her eye, we're going to say about right here, and I'm going to draw her hand. So I'm just going to draw a curve at an angle. So kind of like a U at an angle, and same thing on the other side. About right here, underneath that eye, and another U at an angle for her hands. Then from there, in between, about right here in the center, just give myself a point. And this is going to be the start of our heart that she's holding. So I'm going to go up with a curve. And I just want to make sure it does hit her hand so that it looks like she's holding the heart. And then from there, let's go ahead and see how big you want your heart. So I'm going to make it pretty big. So let's bring this down a little bit more. Let's say about right there. And we just want to bring it down to the same height. There. So then about there, we're going to stop and we're going to draw a bunch of curves. So I'm going to start right here. 1. And this is going to be the beginning of our cloud. I'm going to draw one right into the center. And then same thing on the other side. And another one that hits right there, just like the other side. There, so now it looks like Pusheen is nicely settled into the cloud. Then from there, let's come back up right here, and we're going to draw her tail. So in this space, on top of this cloud, we're going to go up with a curve, round it off, and bring it right back in. And let's come in here with some stripes. So there's 1, 2, and 3. 3 stripes for Pusheen. Then from there, I'm going to come around, so say about right here, and we're just going to draw the rest of our cloud. So just imagine this would be about right here as well, just like the other side. And then let's just go ahead and I'm going to go around to create our nice fluffy cloud. So then let's go ahead and connect it. 1 and then 1 lower curve in the center. And 1 more, and connect everything. There, 1 fluffy cloud. Then we can go ahead and finish our heart. So let's just imagine this is going through and it's going to pop out right about here. and we want a nice full heart. So I'm just going to bring this in and down. So same thing on the other side, right about here. And you can just kind of help yourself, help you to draw this heart is by kind of imagining how much space is over here. So that will kind of help you see where to go on the other side. So approximate. So let's say about just like the other side bar right there. And then bring it in. There. Nice big heart. So now I'm looking at my camera. I'm going to bring this down right here a little bit more. So make any adjustments you need. There. And then last but not least, we need to add add some wings so that this is an angel Pusheen. So let's come back about right here at the top where the whiskers are, and we're going to go up with a curve and bring it down, and then 2 curves for some very simple wings. So same thing on the other side, but right here, and go up, approximate just like the other side, and we're going to end about the same right here. So 1, 2, and 3. There. So we have a cute little angel Pusheen. And I'm sorry, this heart is bugging me. So I'm going to make it a little bit fuller right here, just like the other side. There, much better, right? It's so hard when I can't put my head over the drawing. I have to look at my camera. Okay, and that is pretty much it for this very sweet angel Pusheen to celebrate love. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.